You've seen the Real Housewives of just about every city in America. But what about the women of the Caribbean who immigrate to the U.S. to build a new life for themselves? Real Housewives of the Caribbean brings island flavor to a myriad of reality shows that we all know and love. But why this platform? Reality TV offers the opportunity for an honest, international dialogue, one that bypasses the rhetoric and brings a deeper national understanding to the true essence of the Caribbean, its people. The Real Housewives of the Caribbean brings together a group of affluent, inspiring women whose unique stories have never been seen on national television. The RHOTC addresses the real issues these women face in their daily lives, from raising children, acquiring wealth, romantic relationships, starting up businesses, buying a home, issues that are important to all women in America. The show offers a unique perspective on this underrepresented population and shows a dynamic and colorful life of the Afro-Caribbean women building their own American dream. The RHOTC seeks to make you laugh, cry, think, and then laugh some more. Join us in raising funds for this exciting project.